What's up, y'all? It's Curvy Grace back with another video, and for you all that are new, I am Grace, or Grace Ann, whichever you prefer. Today's video is going to be a hair video. The company that we're working with is Sogoodhair because they are so good. We're going to be the judge of that, so stay tuned. Let me show you all what comes in the box. They include a lot of different goodies. These are the most gifts that I've ever got when receiving the wig. You get a spoolie brush. I'll use this for my edges. You get a tweezer in case you need to pluck some more. The wig is pre-plucked, so you may not need it. And then it also comes with an elastic band in case you need extra support or extra grip. We may be using this, I'm not sure yet, because I'm trying a new holding spray as glue today, so we'll see. You do also get 4 of these combs in case you want to sew them in. It includes a Sogood edge wrap. Baby, when you get these in your boxes, don't just throw them to the side, don't throw them away. Keep these. I put these in my panty drawer. I use these when I'm drying my baby hairs. I use them to wrap my edges when I'm going to sleep if I'm trying to maintain my wig. And then they included a bonnet. So wrap your edges and put your, ooh, this look crazy. So wrap your edges and put your bonnet on, and your hair gonna be so good. The wig that we're working with today, it is a bob unit. You see? It is pre-plucked. You can see the hairline. So 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna do any more plucking because, as I say in all my videos, I give my videos and my installs towards beginner people. So I try to do the least work possible. So with this wig, it already came pre-plucked, like I said, so there's no plucking that's needed. And then they bleach the knots as well. Like, I don't know if you can see, but closer to the roots, there's a light brown tint, and that's what helps you identify when the knots are bleached or not. So these knots are definitely bleached. The wig already came with an elastic band in it, so the other one that we just seen is extra. And then it does also have lace in the back. We're just gonna go ahead and cut this off. I'm gonna be styling this unit on a dome head just because I wanna make sure my bob is extra crisp, okay? Just because we're using an affordable, low-cost unit don't mean it has to look like that. We about to have this bob crisp. This is the unit. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron it first. And then once I flat iron it, I'll be able to tell whether I want to cut it some more or whether it falls in the perfect spot. I pretty much want it to fall right above my shoulders. So let me turn her around and let's get started. This is a 13 by 4. This is what the inside looks like. So I am gonna tint this lace because it looks a little lighter than me. So I'm just using my lace tint from Wig Dealer. Spraying it in. So this is the cut. We're pretty precise. Now I'm gonna put it on and do that final flat iron. Let me know what y'all think about the cut so far. I had to stoop down to the bob's level, baby. I was all up under here. You can see though, when you get under, you get a better view. Cause like when I got under here, I seen hanging spots. So when you get down, you get a better view. Okay, so we giving scalp. is the finished look. The bob was originally a 14-inch and I cut it right above my shoulders, as you can see. Now, to me, whenever you're buying a bob with the company, I always recommend going longer because some parts tend to be shorter than others. Like, I've never encountered a bob that was just truly a bob, all the hair the same length. So I recommend getting something that's longer. That's why I got 14 inches, because the front was a little bit shorter about where we're at now. So with me getting 14 inches and cutting it, my bob is even all the way around. Because sometimes you'll get like right here where it stops up here if you get like a 10-inch. So always buy your bobs a little longer. But I'm definitely loving this wig. As you can see, the hairline looks extremely natural. I don't have any kind of baby hairs. Whoo, child. I haven't had a bob cut like this in a while. Make sure y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. How did I do on this cut? Like, is this precise or what? I definitely would recommend this bob. It's under $100. Like, you giving looks like this for $100? Under $100? Sis, tell your mans to run them Benjis. But I definitely enjoyed hanging with y'all today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell to be notified. And if you do purchase this wig, comment down below to let me know what you thought about it when you purchased it.